Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to BT Willis Garage. Today's going to be a really quick video on how to replace the air filter as well as the water filter on your Frigidaire refrigerator. Please note that there are a few different product options when it comes to buying filters, both air and water, so make sure you take a look at your refrigerator before you order the part online. One of the things I noticed is that on the water filter for my Frigidaire, it actually comes with a little notch on the end when a lot of water filters are smooth, so that's a good indicator of what you should buy. All right, let's go ahead and get started with the water filter first. We're gonna go ahead and open the fridge and get you a nice tight shot for how this works. Step one when changing the water filters to turn off your ice maker. Ours is located on the front of the fridge. We're gonna push options here in the middle, scroll down to ice maker, push plus on the right here, and that's gonna allow us to turn the ice maker off while we change the filter. So now that we're in the fridge, if you open up in the top right, you'll see we can turn to the left and pull this filter out. And this is that little notch that I was telling you about. That's kind of an indicator of what the filter's difference is. Here's my new one with the notch. We're gonna return it, twist it until we feel that it's going in, and get it vertical to that 12 o'clock position. Now that our water filter is installed, we want to make sure that there's no leaks around the housing. Mine looks good. Just keep an eye on it after you change it out and be sure. Next, what we're going to want to do is run 2 gallons of water through the system to prime the new filter. There's some sediment that's built up in there that we don't want to drink. Just be aware whenever you're doing this, it may blow out some air. That's normal. Now that we've got our water flushed out, it is time to turn the ice maker back on. Go down to our menu, ice maker, plus mark, it's back on. While we're in here, we're gonna want to scroll down to water filter here and press and hold set to reset. That's done. It says the water filter's good and it's gonna remind us again in 6 months. Let's move on to the air filter. So for the air filter, it is so easy. What we're gonna do is pull this plate that says Pure Air Ultra 2 towards us, remove it. Now when you buy the air filter, it looks like it comes in this packaging that you would remove. You actually leave it in this cardboard. We're just gonna slide it down here with the filter facing us. And we are gonna reinstall our cover. And we're done. Next, all that we need to do is go back to our menu. And over here in our menu, what we're gonna do is go to options, scroll down to air filter, hold the set button for about 5 seconds. Boom, good. We're good for another 6 months. There you have it. You just replace the air and water filter in your fridge. You're good for another 6 months. And I will leave product links in the description so that you guys can make sure you buy the right one. Just double check first what your air and water filter looks like before you order, and then just match it up. If you have the Pure Air 1, order the 1. If you have the Pure Air 2, order the 2. Be smart, don't waste money. Thanks guys, enjoy.